always wanted a car with a matte paint job but can't afford a Mercedes-Benz or a BMW? Well, you can always wrap your car, or you can go and buy yourself this, the new Kia Seltos X-Line.
Get hope, 'cause hope is just a fantasy, leaves you wanting more.
First things first, damn, this looks hot, like really hot. You will possibly be the coolest dad around if you get yourself one of these, because with that satin paint job and those red accents, it almost looks like a budget Lamborghini Urus graphite capsule, doesn't it? Kia has also complemented the satin paint with some blacked out trim pieces like the grille or the bumper accents around the fog lamps, and that just adds to how nice this looks. And to accent it all, you get a set of new 18-inch alloy wheels that have a two-tone finish on them, and Kia being Kia, these wheels look so dope. You'd expect Kia to keep the GT line's interior here, but oh no, there are some changes here too, good ones. An almost ink blue or dark blue set of seats, unique, okay. And we like the fact that Kia is experimenting with stuff like this, especially since this segment is about to get some really stiff competition in the form of the XUV 700, and the Seltos needs everything it can throw at the competition to keep it relevant. Based on the GT line, the engines will stay the same, the 1.4-litre turbo petrol and the 1.5-litre turbo diesel, and we do wish Kia had added in that much-awaited panoramic sunroof, but sadly that hasn't happened just yet. Expect prices to be in the 18 to 18,50,000 rupee range when announced soon, and these to be hot-moving variants, especially with a younger audience. Well, if I was buying one, this is most definitely the one I'd get. And about a dozen microfiber cloths to keep the bird poop off.